Do my hands look like a T-Rex? Like, yeah. Okay, let me do a bit again. Hi everyone, and welcome to Superdrug TV. My name's Boardman, and I'm going to be presenting through the whole month of March, which, by the way, I am a mum, and it is the month all about us mums. You might recognise me from MTV's Teen Mum UK. I gave birth to my daughter Malia when I was 19. Today, I'll be meeting an incredible mum called Amy. She has triplets. Triplets. I have never met triplets or a mum of triplets before, so I am so excited, and she has made a huge impact on TikTok. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an episode and you can keep hanging out with us. So, Superdrug have asked me to present for the whole month of March, which, as you know, is the month all about us mums. My mum was my biggest influence in life, and I still remember probably 5 main points that she said to me. They were like my lessons growing up. Number 1, do not overpluck your eyebrows. I did, obviously. Number 2, blend in your foundation line. I would have a line up here, and we'd argue every time on the way to school. She'd say, Mia, you've got a line. I'd say, no, I don't talk to me, and that would be the end of that. She'd tell me, do not straighten your hair because it will ruin it. I frazzled the ends of my hair. They never grew back, ever. 4 was always take off your makeup before you go to bed because it will really ruin your skin. Do I do that still? I'm 25 years old and sometimes I don't. Ashamed to admit it. And 5, beauty comes from within, and that's the one I always remember, and that's why I always try to tell Malia. So I am here in the studio with Amy. Hi, Amy.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
So, first of all, you've become a TikTok sensation with your triplets. Now, I feel like I have so many questions and so little time for you. So you've got triplets.
Yep.
How old are they?
So a year old next month.
So I have one, just a single one, and I struggle. Like even, so I went on your TikTok last night and I was watching, I think it was like 10 hours ago, I was watching it this morning. And so you're listing all the stuff and you've got about 50 items that you're listing that you need. And I'm laying there thinking, I literally am just gonna put my clothes on, hope for the best of Malia. Like I don't know how you do it. Like how do you do it?
Just literally stay in routine, like routine.
That's what you were saying last night. Yeah, in your TikTok routine's the key.
Yeah. But no, they're really good babies, and I think because they have each other, it sort of goes a lot more smoothly as well. Like the days go so smoothly. So they've literally napped at the 10 o'clock nap, they've napped at the 1:30, 2 o'clock nap. They're still,
wow.
They're still in it, so it's crazy.
And how are you finding the TikTok world? Because obviously it's sort of just, you've gone viral, haven't you? And now you've got like fans and followers and yeah.
It's very overwhelming, that's for sure, but I love it. It's just show everyone my day-to-day life.
Do you find as well that you've got like a whole community of like friends?
Like triplet families, like I speak to them every day.
Do you?
Yeah, so
all
many
from
as well.
TikTok?
All from TikTok.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's what I find with like my world. Like I've got like a little community of like friends that are like my friends that I've never met before, and like if I need advice I'll put it up, if I need anything I just post it all.
Yeah, exactly the same here, and like there'd be the same people messaging me every day to make sure I'm okay that I've never met, never seen before, but they just make sure I'm okay every day. And how are the girls? It's crazy. So nice though.
Yeah,
so
it is amazing,
but so nice. And
with 3 girls all under one, do you get time for yourself really?
Yeah, every other weekend is like my weekend.
Nice. That's like what I do.
Yeah.
So these are your go-to products.
Yeah.
What have we got?
So here we've got the Palmer's cocoa butter, perfect for stretch marks. Yeah, especially when you've had triplets.
Yeah, triplets. Sorry, just interrupting, was your bump really big?
Yeah.
Wow.
At 32 weeks, it measured 43 weeks. Yeah.
Wow.
Heavy.
Wow. I look like I was having triplets. I put on 4 stone when I was pregnant.
Did you? I did 6. 6 with me.
But that's triplets. So I put on a third of what, no, I put on 2/3 of what you put on, and I had 1 and you had 3.
Yeah.
So
that's impressive.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
And what's this one here?
The Isla pre-glued lashes.
Pre-glued?
Pre-glued. The only ones I do.
Pre-glued?
Yeah.
I've never seen pre-glued eyelashes before.
I can't do the glue, so.
Yeah, and it gets really, I take my eyelashes off with the glue and it would just have all glue like that stuck to my, horrible.
No,
wow, I need them.
You can't do that. This is the E.L.F stick. It's basically a bit of everything. So like lipstick, contour, blush.
Sorry, I feel like, do you know what you've done? So you've hacked life with 3 of the same age children, and you've like hacked.
Just like ease. All of this is ease, really.
That one there.
This is the Maybelline concealer. I don't really wear makeup often, but when I do, just
tie-dyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Literally,
Every day.
hides the bags.
Every day.
Hides the bags. Definitely hides the bags. And then the Layer and Lab spray, Blossom, smells incredible.
Does it?
Yeah, would recommend.
I need that too. I need, you know when you need a new scent to change it all up? I need it all. Yeah, where do you put it? Do you put it all over?
Just chest area.
Just chest. Wow.
Freshen up the clothes if I'm going out.
Wow.
Yeah. And then the Colour Radiance hair dye. I'm not going great yet, but I feel like I'm probably close with having 3 babies. And this is the colour that I use.
And that's a good, does it leave your hair, because your hair's really shiny?
Yeah.
Is that what you've got on now?
Yeah, that's what I've got on now.
And then babies, what are your go-tos for the babies?
Charles Farm Baby Moisturiser. Probably because I've got such dry skin at the moment. And this is perfect for them. And it smells good as well. So good. It's like, you know, like the proper baby smell. That's what I imagine.
Is that what it smells like? Yeah. Can I smell it?
Yeah.
You know the baby smell. Have your girls still?
Maybe not. Oh, there we go.
Have your girls still got that smell?
The baby smell.
Oh, the baby smell. I wish I could
just. It's this. I think they just smell like that.
I wish I could just bottle up that baby smell of their head and put it in a perfume bottle.
It smells so good, bless them. And then the Aveeno baby wash, which also smells incredible.
Does it?
And it's good for their heads. So one of them's got cradle cap. And it's
Marley
really
my little guy had cradle cap.
Yeah, it's really good for her hair.
I love that as well because a lot of baby products don't smell of anything.
No, and that smells just nice.
Aveeno baby care, wow. I'm acting like I've got a baby at home and I also need this, but even though she's 5, I might get the moisturiser and cover her in it and say, please be a baby again. Oh, amazing.
That's it.
So what my biggest thing with being a mum is it's so expensive. Like anywhere I go, it just costs so much money and you have 3. So like times 3 of what I spend. How do you do it?
Thankfully with Superdrug, they tend to have 3 for 2. So I'm not spending quite as much as I should be, and it saves me a lot.
That is a hack for any parents watching that needs like money saved because you can get, for you, 3 for 2. And we love a discount.
Lifesaver.
Thank you so much for coming on today. Honestly, to me, you're like a superhero. Like, if I ever have 3 kids, I need all your hacks. I'll be messaging you asking for them.
Thank you. No, thank you for having me. It's been lovely.
Oh, thank you. And if any of you guys, even just one child, follow Amy on TikTok. She will save your life with all her hacks. Thank you so much to my amazing guest. Her advice was so good, inspiring us all and keeping it real. I'll be back next week with Selena Boyd, the publisher of Coco Girl. Bye for now.